How to enable Face ID or fingerprint login in the PNC app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want faster or secure logins, well, here is how to enable Face ID or fingerprint login in the PNC mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC mobile app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the menu icon and then simply scroll down and simply select Settings or Biometric Login. Now there, you just have to toggle on Face ID or Fingerprint Login depending on your device, and after that, you may be asked to confirm using your device security prompt. So simply follow the on-screen prompts, and once you're done with that, you are all set. So now next time you can just use face or fingerprint to log in. And that's it. That's how you can enable Face ID or fingerprint login in the PNC app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.